Hello and welcome back, all you beautiful people.
Hello there.
Today, we're going to be doing the second episode of All About Braising. We're going to be making some pork carnitas. Now, pork carnitas is shredded pork, very similar to the Americanized pulled pork. So let's get into it.
The cut of meat we'll be using today is a 3-pound pork loin, but you can also use pork butt if you like. We're going to salt the shit out of this, okay? The salt diffuses through the meat through a process called osmosis. This will help tenderize the meat and keep it flavorful. But now to the marinade. Measure 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and the juice of 2 limes. Give this mixture a stir until it is thoroughly combined. Place your pork in a roasting pan, and then we're going to rub it down with that marinade. When it's completely covered in your marinade, you're going to wrap this up and throw it in the fridge and let it rest for at least 8 hours. For the cooking liquid, measure out 1/2 cup of orange juice and 1/2 cup of beef stock. Now the color on this is not pretty, so just be ready for that, okay? To this add 4 garlic cloves, 1 onion that has been julienned, and a couple tablespoons of ground Mexican oregano. My apologies, but I didn't show the pork loin being seared, but you just want to sear that on medium-high heat in some oil. But next we're going to pour the rest of this cooking liquid over the meat. Cover with parchment paper really tightly, and then cover it with aluminum foil also very tightly. And then we're going to place it in the oven at 250 degrees for at least 12 hours or overnight. 12 hours later, we're left with a beautiful pork roast. I mean, it's just fall apart tender. I'll let it speak for itself. With our carnitas finished, I'm going to place these in some corn tortillas and top them with some yellow onion, some cilantro, and some lime wedges on the side.
All right, let's get a little taste test. It's pretty good. Excellent tacos. Love pork carnitas. That was episode 2 of All About Braising. I hope you enjoyed this video today. As always, thank you for joining me. We'll see you later.
My God, are you still talking?